You're wasting your life. Every single day you tell yourself that tomorrow you will change. But tomorrow never comes. You wake up with plans, with dreams, with promises to yourself. And then you do the same things again. You scroll. You delay. You wait. And just like that, another day is gone. Time is passing whether you act or not. And the truth is, you are getting comfortable with wasting your life. You say you want success. You say you want a better life. But your actions say something else. Because success is not built on motivation. It is built on discipline. Doing the work even when you don't feel like it. Waking up early when you want to sleep. Working hard when you feel tired. Staying focused when everything around you is distracting you. That is what builds a strong life. Right now, there are people out there working harder than you. They are focused. They are disciplined. They are hungry. While you are still waiting. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for the perfect time. But the truth is, the perfect time does not exist. There is only now. And what you do right now will decide your future. A year from now, you will either be proud of yourself or full of regret. Think about that. Which one do you want? Because no one is coming to fix your life. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to push you. It is on you. Your life is your responsibility. And until you accept that nothing will change, stop blaming others. Stop making excuses. Stop wasting your time. Because time does not wait for anyone. Every second is a chance. A chance to improve. A chance to grow. A chance to become better. But only if you take action. You cannot keep living the same day again and again and expect a different life. That is not how success works. Success requires change. And change requires discomfort. You have to be willing to suffer. You have to be willing to struggle. You have to be willing to do what others refuse to do. That is the difference. That is what separates winners from everyone else. Discipline is the key. Not motivation. Not luck. Not talent. Discipline. Doing what needs to be done, no matter how you feel. That is how you win. Right now you have a choice. Stay comfortable. Stay average. Stay stuck. So stand up, take control, and change your life. Because if you do not change today, nothing will change tomorrow. And the life you want will stay a dream forever. This is your moment. This is your chance. Start now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now, because your future is created by what you do today. Do not waste it. Take control and become the person you were meant to be.